I mean, just look at all of the new additions that I have right here. I'm about to show you how you can get them on your very own. So guys, you can see the joystick, you can see a lot of new stuff. Hey YouTube, your boy is back and I will show you how we can get the Pokemon Go Spoofer for both iOS and Android devices. Only thing we need to make sure is to stick till the end of this tutorial, which won't take too long. 3 or 4 minutes is what is needed of your time, and by the end of it, it will all be worth it. So let's go. I'm back guys, and I will show you what this Pokemon Go Spoofer is all about. I mean, just look at all of the new additions that I have right here. I'm about to show you how you can get them on your very own. So guys, you can see the joystick, you can see a lot of new stuff. It is like Christmas early if you ask me. Pokemon Go Spoofer will be lit from now on, so you need to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser, but search for GoSpoofer.com. On GoSpoofer.com, you will have all of it, guys. For Pokemon Go, guys, you will start the whole injection right here. Select the platform and proceed to the next step. Select all of the new additions that you saw on the left side. Even the teleportation, which I have not used. That is up to you to use it, guys. I didn't want to spoil each and every new addition that you are about to get on Pokemon Go. It is marvelous, it is phenomenal, so you can use it on your very own and witness it for your very own eyes, for starters. But this is still a step-by-step tutorial, not a gameplay, so let me finalize it by going to the final step of this whole process. So it goes like this. You have two options. The first option will be to download 2 apps from the official App Store, Google Play Store. Not only download them, but do what it says from you in the description. For example, you'll need to download Zap VPN, install it, and open up the app. Simple. Or you will need to download My Purina and register on it. Or you can just go ahead, download 2 apps. Sorry. You can just go ahead, complete 2 questionnaires, guys. So open up a questionnaire, follow those questions, answer them, fill out those specifics. That is how you verify your mobile device and get a Pokemon Go Spoofer on your mobile phone for both iOS and Android devices. That is all, fellas. I really hope this was useful. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Peace.